My people, no be small thing, no. As they stand right now, they say for inside the northern part of Nigeria, the Sharia law are working that place. This our brother don't come outside, come cry, say the Sharia law order for him auction of his in shop. Oh, this one no be say close am. They seal am, the auction am. Things are happening for the same country where would they? Now two laws they govern the country and people feel comfortable. Well, my people, one of the hardcore Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside, come say in they represent Gentle. No, so as it stand right now, if Gentle go, say in day, but nothing happened to Gentle as it take talk am. Mazin and the Carlo open his defense, saying go stand gidigbam, face them and call some people will be like say they don't do wuru for him matter. I will play the videos may you watch before we come back, come continue. Stay tuned and watch the full videos.
Area council. I was in my shop 3 months ago. Some people just carry motor gun. Say they are from Sharia court of Gudu. That their chief litigation and chief Biafra has auctioned my shop. I told them that I don't have any case with them. Why should they auction my shop? I built this church in 2012. I will rent their phone shop in number. I rent one to somebody. They said the person in the shop is showing them credit. I told the person owner, why can't you provide his goods? That the goods in that shop, they know nothing about the goods. They say what they know is they want to take that shop. I tell the person should come to the court and tell the people I'm the owner of the shop. I go there, even though I'm a Christian. I tell them why should a Christian go to Sharia court? They say I must come if I'm the owner, that they will leave me my shop. I take all the documents to them. Even when I reach there, they even see the document, say they will do investigation. All I see today, they just come here, carry paper come, say that I auction the shop, that they are doing handover because I'm a Christian, because I'm Igbo. They collect my shop, Sharia court, even if they will follow the law. As a Christian, what I have to do with Sharia court? They don't know what is happening in Nigeria. They carry my case there. Even when I appear, they did not listen to me. They bring the other judge, the judge that wants us what happened. They remove the judge, said that in charge of who the moving judge. They remove the judge. The judge collected my goods, my shop for nothing. I done nothing. Even if I have case with them, I would have said that with me. But I don't have any case with them. I have not appeared before their court. I don't want to commit anything. They just collected my shop. They said because I am nobody. Nigerians help me, oh. Nigeria help me, oh. My life will finish, oh. EDM help me, oh. They collect my shop because I am a Christian. They show the Sharia court. I'm taking my shop. God help me, oh. 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 They collect my shop just to intimidate.
One of the counsel saying he wants to go ahead with his defense process. Yes, he has the rights. But also, it's only incumbent on let's even make a verification if he was the one that listed these people out. And let's make a verification on that process that was said that came from him. And let him go through his defense. A man has a right to be able to defend himself.
Right.
I am not saying that we should not, have a definitive stance on the rule of law in this country. But all I point out every day is the hypocrisy.
The selective application.
I mean, there are people now that we see them carrying guns and everything, bandits, having peace meetings and all that. Nobody have arrested them now. Okay. Their matter is not in court, it's not sub judice now.
All right.
So that one is out there. Then secondly, we have also seen people that were pardoned, bandits, criminals that were pardoned. All we're also saying is the political solution that you feel was good for the bandits that people speak for, give it to this man and charge him that if any other thing is done again, then actions will be meted out. That's all what a lot of people are calling for in this regard.
Yes.
That's just it.
So
if you call him all sorts of things, you call him a terrorist and everything, but you've done it for some bandits in the past now, why is his own difference?
All right.
That's all I'm asking.
All right.
I'm not saying I support the way he went about it. I'm not saying I support all his abuses.
All right.
You did the same process people are saying do for this man, for other people that we saw. You even rehabilitated them. Like Dr. Batista said, you give them ashwebi and jollof rice and pepper soup. These are people that carry gun. No? I'm not sure now they can't ever. Did you ever say any gun is not going to shoot people? But these are even people that carry gun. No, that kill
criminals.
That criminals that committed heinous crimes. So
all right.
You gave them a waiver and you said they should be good members of society again. All we are just saying is for the sake of balancing and for the sake of let's have fairness.
All right.
let that same thing be done to Nnamdi Kanu, and let's also charge him that all the insecurity there that people attributed to him, let it stop.
All right.
So that at least when Nnamdi Kanu is out of the picture, anybody that does this thing again, we say, okay, we know this is criminality. That's all I'm arguing, you know.
The names that he mentioned, though, as compellable witnesses, I mean, I wonder how that will play into his, defense and all of that. He's asking for 90 days. I believe the last time there was a ruling by James Judge Omotosho, he had said that Nnamdi Kanu should, conduct his case within 6 days. So I don't know. I mean, he's now asked for 90 days. It seems like another extension. But yesterday was this Free Nnamdi Kanu protest, and there were many dimensions to the protest. We saw a clergyman calling out notable pastors, including Pastor Enoch Adeboye, as well as Pastor Tunde Bakare, saying that instead of enjoying tithes and offerings, they should be present at the protest. Well, the same priest was seen running and taking cover after police dispensed tear gas. Let's take a look.
Terrorists are doing in our father's land, killing our sisters, killing our brothers. Enough is enough. This time around, I have come out fully to tell them that I'm not afraid to protect my father's land. I'm a son of Biafra. If you like, you can search me wherever, but I'm not afraid of Nigeria Zulu. One never kaga, then where goes you carry gun, I carry gun. Why go fear you? You no go fear them. Now our father's land. Now we be men on ground. We mount. We no send them. Nigeria, enough is enough. You people are just talking rubbish, telling people that you people have killed Gento. You can never kill Gento. Gent is untouchable. And we men on ground, we untouchable. We unkillable. You can never see us, talk us to kill us. Now we go to kill them. This is me, aka Ogbumade Jenga. I come to tell Nigeria to free Mazi Okuchukwu Nnamdi Kanu. This 28th, if you pass it, Nigeria, you will see me in anger.
My people, una don hear am as it take happen. Abeg, I wan make you share this video. This one a quick video. Just share am as it take dey hot. Nigeria, two law, Sharia law, Nigeria law. Hey, Udele is Udele and the Kenguru and Urunkata. Abeg, Mona come outside and come explain this. Why is this Sharia law is working in the north, in the same country? Ndị who are bush, you people will not condemn evil. That's why you guys are being old more than your age. For your life, you will never achieve anything. I know they shame for yourself. Go check all those Okoko where they talk nonsense. All of them never achieve nothing for themselves. Okoko. Come and condemn this one. Come and condemn it. Talk about it and condemn it. In country, two laws, Sharia law and Nigeria law.